Time for some more fun with Revolve. I really do like this tool. In the previous segment, if you've been following along segment by segment in this lesson, we took a pen stroke and actually converted it with Revolve into a bottle. And then we stuck a label on the bottle, which was actually pretty cool for a program like Illustrator. If you like that, you're going to love this. We're going to use Revolve one more time. But this time we're going to take a ribbon. We're going to make a vector ribbon. We're going to revolve and wrap that ribbon around an invisible sphere. Let's start by making our ribbon component. So we're going to pick up a rectangle tool right there and make a ribbon. Long, drawn-out shape, something like that. Doesn't have to be exact, something like this. Once you get it up there, choose your happy color of the day. What is your happy color today? My happy color is cyan. Now you'll notice I don't have a stroke on this thing. That's fine. If you want a stroke, you can put one on there. I just have a cyan, no stroke rectangle that is the first component of our ribbon. Pick up your selection tool because we need a copy of this thing. That means hold the Alt key down, right? But I don't want it waving left and right. So we're going to hold the Alt key down, click and drag, and then hold the Shift key down. Shift key keeps it from going left and right and give it some breathing room. Say like that. Again, can be a little bit more, a little bit less, up to you. I need 4 more of these for a total of 6. Remember, the easiest way to do this is to press Control D, which is duplicate the last function you did. The last thing we did was make a copy. Control D, 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 D. Got those? Looks like that? Fine. Select all of them. Come over into your toolbar and pick up the Shear tool right here. It's located with the Scale tool and the Reshape. Shear. Get in the middle of our selected rectangles and hold the Alt key down and click. That's going to guarantee we open up the dialog box. We need 2 things. We need an angle of 6 and we need a vertical axis. Click OK. If it looks like that, you're spot on. That's exactly what we need. Next step, we need to draw a rectangle right on top of these things to crop them. So come over here, pick up your rectangle again. Let's do this too. Let's go here and do a black stroke with no fill. Really doesn't matter, but this will make it easy for you to see what I'm doing. I'm going to get in the corner of this one right here, the upper right-hand corner, and click and drag down to the lower left-hand corner of this one and make a rectangle. That's all I'm doing. You get it like that? Select everything. So go back to your selection tool and grab and select everything. Open up the Pathfinders. I love these tools. And select this one right here, which is called Crop. Crop takes the top element, that rectangle, and crops everything else out. That's exactly what we want. If you see something that looks like that, that's perfect. That's spot on. We need to go to the next step. We need to make that a symbol. Remember what we're doing. We're revolving that shape, which is going to be a ribbon around another shape using Revolve. In order to do that, it has to be a symbol or we won't be able to use it as a map. It's very easy. Just click on it right here and click the new button down here. Give it a name, like ribbon comes to mind. Change type to graphic. Click OK. There she is. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We actually don't need it anymore. Pick up the ellipse tool. Come over here and click and drag. Hold the Shift key down so you get a nice perfect circle. Something about like that. Doesn't have to be exact. Let go of the mouse, and there you go. Doesn't have to be any color, but let's go ahead and give it a fill color so we can see it better. Come over here and pick up your, let's do it this way. We're going to cut it in half. We'll do it a different way. Pick up your line segment tool right here. Draw yourself a line segment that's longer than that piece. Just like that. Make sure it does have a stroke so we can see it. And there it is. Make sure it's exactly in the middle. That's easy to do. Select both items. Go to the Aligns and select Center. And that'll put it right in the middle. With that done, go to your Pathfinder tools and select Divide, which is this one right here. And what that does is it cuts it. So we're going to come over to it here. Let's ungroup it. It is in a group. And select and delete. That's one way to make a semicircle. There are other ways. We have our semicircle. We're getting closer. What you want to do next is select that circle, that semicircle, and go up to the word effect and go down to 3D and select Revolve. And when we click Preview, guess what? We're going to get a circle. We're going to get a globe, actually, and that's great. Click Map Art. We're almost there. You should have a surface 1. What do? Pick up our symbol. There it is, ribbon. Tell the computer you want to scale to fit it right here. You're only 2 clicks away. Tell the computer to shade the artwork. Now, make the geometry, the globe, invisible. Isn't that cool? Click OK. Come back out. Of course, you can change it and do anything you want to it. But we've actually made a ribbon that wrapped around in now an invisible shape. The shape can be anything, but it looks kind of cool as a globe. Using Revolve, it's a great tool. I love it. And it does surprise you if you don't know what to do with it in this program. It can do some pretty cool 3-dimensional stuff for you.